This is my first time using Grabie papers. I am a card maker and I've been doing this for a few years. But when I saw these New Year papers, I thought I might get a jump on some holiday card making. Right, so the papers are protected. They come in this zip closed bag. So let's get these out of here. And these are the stickers. So there's a New Year sticker collection that comes with the papers. Let's take a look at the papers. This one is so pretty. This grabbed my eye. So I love that. You have a lot of vibrant color in here, and then you have your gold foil accents in your windows, which is beautiful. So this is nice. And what I like about these papers, even though these papers are highly, well, let's say highly decorated, but they're decorated. They have the gold foil on it. You can still enhance these if you have other elements you want to add. You have open spaces here, so if you want to put a sentiment there, you can. And I like the size. These are ideal if you want to make large cards, and there is enough room that you could, if you needed to, trim a little bit down and not lose this beautiful detail if you wanted to make a smaller card, or if you wanted to cut creatively, as we card makers sometimes do, and create smaller cards. Like if you just wanted this section, you could do that. So you could split it and do a split card with this. So these papers offer a lot of opportunities for design and innovation, and I like that. Here's a very nice poinsettia, which again, you can enhance that. Oh wow, I love that. Look at that. Beautiful. Then you have your ornaments. That's quite lovely. This would be nice on the interior of a card, and you could put a sentiment in there. Here's another beautiful paper with foil. Oh, and I love this. This is so nice. And the deer, the antlers and the outline of the deer have gold foil on them. Don't know how well that translates, but that is so pretty. Now here's another sort of village scene, again with the gold highlights. So flip through these so you can see. Ooh, cabin in the woods. That's nice. So this paper is a glossy finish, super smooth, and I love that. This is a nice, this very nice side paper. Okay, so let's just sort of flip through the rest of these. Now we have our vellum sheets. These are gorgeous. As you can see for yourself, these papers are absolutely gorgeous. And the fact that they include vellums. For each of the glossy sheets, you also have a corresponding vellum. I love them all. And I'm hoping this isn't going to be one of those sets that I love the paper so much and they're so pretty that I'm like, oh, they're too pretty to use. But I know that I'm going to use these to create cards for the holiday season. So you have 18 total designs, and you have 2 of each design. You have a vellum and you have a gloss. The papers are 5 by 7, 8. So you can get some idea. This is a 5 by 7 card. So this gives you a little room so you can trim. You'll be able to trim it down a little bit. You've got enough room. Or you could just not trim it down and make your card slightly larger. Okay, so let's see what we have here in terms of stickers. I love this envelope. All right, so with your stickers, you have the vellum stickers. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then you have your clear stickers. And as with the papers, you have your clear sticker sheet, and then you have your vellum sticker sheet. These are very nice, so that you can get an idea of the kinds of... Oh, I love the elephant with the balloons. That's very nice. I already know what I want to use that for. So these are great for celebratory occasions, birthdays, the new year, Christmas, whatever you're celebrating. I mean, for what you get in this set, it is very reasonably priced. I buy a lot of crafting supplies, a lot of stickers and papers. These are beautifully done. They're high quality. The variety is good. This is just a beautiful collection, and you will be able to create some amazing cards, or in whatever area your creative talents lie, you will be able to use this set, whether you're a scrapbooker or a card maker or journalist. This is just a gorgeous set. It is so nicely done, and I am thoroughly pleased with the contents, with the quality, and with the price.